Hey, Marco here from the Refine Pick. These are my top 5 smart home and security. Number 1. Wired Doorbell Pro. It offers Retinal 4K and wide-angle video for ultimate surveillance. Deep silver finish, 10x enhanced zoom, low light sight, home or business ready. Number 2. Wired Doorbell Pro 2-pack. Double the security with dual Retinal 4K cameras at a bundle price. Wide-angle video, 10x enhanced zoom, low light sight, deep silver. Number 3. Battery Doorbell Plus. On-the-go security with a quick-release battery pack and 2K clarity. Retinal video, up to 6x zoom, night vision, nickel silver. Number 4. Wired Doorbell. Budget-friendly with essential 2K Retinal features for any home. Wide angle, up to 6x zoom, Alexa compatible, speckled grey. Number 5. Battery Doorbell Pro. Get head-to-toe video with 1536p HD Plus and 3D motion detection for dynamic coverage. Two-way talk, audio plus, battery-powered, versatile for home or business. If any of these interest you, check the links down below. See you on the next Refined Pick.